Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I'm here, Sulistiawati. I would like to present our article entitled the Perception of Mathematics Prospective Teachers Toward Technology Used in Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic in the 8th Mathematics Science and Computer Science Education International Seminar. The authors of these articles is the first one is me, and then the second one is Dr. Dadang Juandi. The third one is Prof. Yaya Kusuma. The fourth one is Ricky Yuliardi, Master of Education, and then the last one is Dr. Samsul Arifin. What is the background of our research? The first one is about coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic has led to the change of the form of learning that was originally conducted as face-to-face meeting into distance learning. Based on the researchers' experience, distance learning conducted today can be online using several video conference platforms. And then the third one is Honeyman and Miller indicated that distance learning is a process to create and provide learning access when resources and learners are separated by distance, time, or both. So we conduct research question of this article. How students perception interactive learning in mathematics with the help of technology on distance learning. So here this one, the research we use descriptive research. So the research instrument is 31 statement items of closed questionnaire with four choices. There are strongly agree, disagree, and strongly disagree, which is valid and reliable. And then the research subject is 120 prospective mathematics teachers or higher student in mathematics education program. And then the data analysis, we use these formulas. You can see on the slide. We use this one, we use MI and SDI with the formula, and then SDA with the formula. After we calculate with those formulas, we categorize using this one, perception category. There are four categories: very positive, positive, less positive, and negative. And this one is the interval of the perception category. And then this is the detailed research participants. The participants come from STKIP Surya, Universitas Wadaya Gunung Jati, Universitas Bengkulu, Universitas Muhammadiyah Tangerang, Universitas Galuh, Universitas Bina Bangsa Sempena, Universitas Muhammadiyah Prof. Hamka, and Universitas Muhammadiyah Semarang. And here this one is detail of indicators students' perception. There are three aspects: technology-assisted learning, distance learning, and interactive learning. And so we divide to four indicators. The first one, this is the first indicators. This is the second indicators, and this is the third indicators, and then this is the fourth indicators, and then this is the five indicators. So this is the result of our research. The first one is about student perception in ICT use in learning based on statement items or based on indicators. This is the highest score. We got the highest score of the indicator or statement items is 129. The lowest score is 270. The ideal maximum score is 480. Ideal mean score is 349.5, and then the ideal standard deviation score is 26.5. Here this one, the perception category of statement items based on the scores above, from the highest score until the ideal standard deviation score. We got the perception category like this one: very positive, positive, less positive. For example, for very positive, the score limit interval is x greater than 376, and so on. We can see on the slide. This is the indicator 1, that students' view about using technology and mathematics learning. We can see also in the slide, there are 7 numbers, there are 7 items, and then there are total score, mean and standard deviation, and these are the perception category. For indicator 1, the perception category, there are very positive, very positive, positive, very positive, very positive, very positive, and very positive. So almost most of perception category is very positive. And yeah, this one, we can say that all of the participants have a very positive perception about mathematics learning using technology. It can be said that prospective mathematics teachers have a very positive perception about technology in mathematics learning. Here, this one, indicator 2, that students' view about distance learning. We have how many numbers? This one, maybe 9 numbers, and here this one, the statement items, and then these are the score, total, mean, and standard deviation, and this one is perception category. Consists of very positive and positive, at least positive perception. We can see that most students have a very positive perception of distance learning. They were familiar with distance learning, for example, electronic learning or e-learning, and then an online learning. And then they are mainly familiar with using e-learning and online learning platforms, maybe like Zoom. They are used on this occasion. So here, this one, the students have a less positive perception in presenting and discussing mathematical ideas online. And then this is the indicator 3. For the indicator 3, maybe aspect 3 and the part 1, indicator 3A. Students' view about technology-assisted interactive mathematics learning in terms of its advantages, disadvantages, and uses. Here, this one, the statement items, and here, this one, the scores, and here, this one, the perception category consists of very positive, positive, there is a less positive. So, we can see from the table that most students have a very positive perception of the students' view about technology assisted interactive mathematics learning. They think they can use mathematics application for learning on their computer, follow the mathematics lesson using meeting conference application. And this one, indicator 3B, the students' view on the use of technology-assisted interactive mathematics learning in engaging students. Here, this one, the statement, and here, this one, the score, and this one, the perception category. There are negative, less positive, and negative. So what is the conclusion of the table? Students have a less positive perception that online learning can motivate and interact with them in mathematics learning. So they have a negative perception that online learning application are convenient to use, as well as the class more alive and quality. This is the last one for indicator 3C. A few of students' experience in using technology-assisted interactive mathematics learning apps. There are 2 statement items, and then this one is the score, and this one the perception category. On this indicator, we have less positive and negative perception. So what's the means that? Okay, it shows that the student have a less positive perception about the preference between learning mathematics directly in a class and using online applications. Negative perception obtained for troubling in using online learning applications. It means the students do not have trouble using online learning platform. And then the result for the number 2, this is the student perception in ICT use in learning based on student answer. This is the highest score. The highest score is 124. The lowest score is 73. And then the ideal maximum score is 124. And then ideal mean score is 98.5, and then the last one, ideal standard deviation score, is 8.5. Here, this one, the interval of student perception category. For example, this is very positive. The interval is x greater than 107.0. Okay, from 120 participants, we can see maybe like this pie chart. We can see this one in number, oh sorry, I mean in the color, in what is it? Yellow color, blue color, orange color, and gray color. For blue color is very positive. So very positive is 11%. And then orange is positive. So positive is 28%. And then gray is less positive. Less positive is 33%. And then negative for yellow color is 28%. And then here this one. So the overall, the average score is 95.76. So overall, the students' perception of technology-assisted learning is less positive. Here, this one, the distribution of score, student score. So based on the result, we have some summary that the prospective mathematics teacher opinion about mathematics learning use technology tools is positive. Students do not have problems using learning application on the computer, tablet, or smartphone, and then using technology tools in learning can push learning and provide an environment for more productive learning, as well as motivate students to improve their performance. And then online and mobile learning apps motivate students by making the course more enjoyable and interactive than traditional teaching methods. And then there is no doubt that more teaching service will emerge soon, creating a new educational model. So the conclusion is the most of the students give a positive perception about using technology as an assisted in learning, distance learning, and interactive learning. Then the student were familiar with technology tools in use at campus or home. And then mainly they use mathematical software in enhancing productivity and interactivity and learning. So we acknowledge to, we thank to Bina Nusantara University, Jakarta, Indonesia as a sponsor in research funding, and all the university or college students in mathematics education program who voluntarily as respondent in this research. I think that's all my presentation today. Thank you very much for your great attention. See you next time and bye-bye. See you. Thank you.